Hey ninjas, so we've got some more equipment for you. An 8-inch ring, a 3-inch in diameter pipe, and 1-inch by 3-inch roller thingies. So the reason why I've sent these to you guys is because when I was on American Ninja Warrior, all of the veteran athletes had backpacks full of stuff like these. They also had baseballs and softballs and basically anything that they could stand on to practice their balance. And while we were waiting to do our run, they were creating all these different courses, and they were borrowing each other's unique pieces of equipment that they had, and they were setting them up all over the area that we were to be staged in. And they would put chairs and benches in the way, and then they would practice stepping on these things and stepping over the chairs and the benches back down onto pieces of equipment like this. And the reason why they were doing that is so they could keep their balance and agility and concentration super sharp while they were waiting to go onto the actual show. And it turns out that a lot of these athletes are always practicing their balance. So whenever they're not at the gym practicing on all the hanging stuff, the fun stuff, they're at home using equipment just like this to keep their balance sharp. So let's go through on how to use some of this equipment. All right, to use your equipment, we're gonna start by laying everything flat like this. Instead of having the pipe here, we're gonna turn it this way, okay? Of course, those you're gonna have just like that, okay? So we're gonna start just like this. Now, keep in mind, this is the basic, most simplest way to do this. All right, now to take this up a notch, we're going to use a doormat. And I flipped it upside down because face up, it's got all these grooves. On the back side, it's nice and flat. But the mat is a little bit squishy, so that way, when I'm practicing this way, the roller will dig into the mat a little bit and it won't roll quite so fast. All right, so to take it to the next level and to turn this upright, we're gonna take some extra safety precautions. So I'm starting it on the mat, so that way it rolls a little bit slower, but I'm also going to hold on to something. Now, for me, because I'm taller, I'm using a garbage can or recycling bin. You guys can use a chair or a patio chair. And we're just gonna practice keeping our balance on one foot. All right, ninjas, so now I'm going to practice transitioning from my 8-inch ring to another element. Now, keep in mind, I'm still holding on to something. Okay, so I'm just gonna practice shifting my weight forward, and then I can finish my little course. Once I've mastered that, then I can practice without holding on to anything, and then stepping to a solid surface. Now I'm going to practice stepping from my 8-inch ring to my rolly element. But notice how I'm slowing it down a little bit by having it on the mat. Now I'm taking out the mat. And now I'm taking away the support. And after I've practiced all that a whole bunch of times, now I can put everything together. Check it out. There you have it, ninjas. So show me what you guys can put together. Send me a video so that way I could take a look at it and then share it with everybody else. Remember, be safe with all of this equipment and have fun.